Welcome to my channel. We're making seafood pancake for today. So for our ingredients, we need some fresh shrimps, some squid rings, imitation crab meat or the real crab meat if you have some, 1 egg, 1/2 cup all-purpose flour, 1/3 cup cornstarch, 1/2 cup water, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1/2 teaspoon freshly ground black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon paprika, 1/2 tablespoon fish sauce, and 1/2 teaspoon sesame oil. We also need 1 green chopped onion, 1/4 cup minced red bell pepper, 1/4 cup minced fresh carrots, and 2 tablespoons of fresh chopped cilantro. So let's start by removing the shell from our shrimps. Next, we can go ahead and cut up our crab meat, calamari, and shrimps into small little pieces. Then transfer your cut up seafood meat into a mixing bowl. Then we can go ahead and add in the rest of the ingredients. Mix thoroughly until well combined, and then we can go ahead and start frying our seafood pancake. In a preheated pan, add in at least around 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil. Then drop in a spoonful of seafood mix into the pan, around 2 inches in diameter and 1/2 inch thick. Fry this around 2.5 minutes per side or until golden brown. Once it's cooked through, take it out from the pan and put it in a plate lined with paper towel. Repeat the same process for the rest of the batches. Now let's make our sweet and sour chili dipping sauce. Transfer sauce into a serving bowl. You can serve your seafood pancake with sweet and sour sauce or just plain vinegar with some spices on it. So here's our finished product, seafood pancake, looking yummy and delicious. Hope you guys enjoyed this recipe and give this a try. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and put a comment down below. And don't forget to press the notification bell to get updated for my latest video every single time. Thank you.